Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video I will show you how to make steak. First, select a quality cut like ribeye or sirloin, ideally around 1.5 inches thick. Pat it completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for a great crust. Then, season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning, as it forms the foundation of flavor for your delicious steak. Now let's get that perfect sear. Place a cast iron skillet over high heat until it's smoking hot. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place your seasoned steak into the hot pan. Sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes, creating a beautiful, deep brown crust. This initial high heat locks in the juices and develops incredible flavor. After searing, reduce the heat to medium. Add a generous knob of butter, a few cloves of crushed garlic, and some fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme to the pan. Tilt the pan and continuously baste the steak with the melted butter mixture for 3 to 5 minutes. Use a meat thermometer to check for your desired doneness, aiming for 130 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. Once your steak reaches the desired temperature, immediately transfer it to a cutting board. This next step is vital. Let the steak rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is tender and juicy. Finally, slice your steak against the grain for maximum tenderness, and serve it immediately to enjoy your perfectly cooked meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.